In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your sheets to Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so your data lands in Google Sheets quickly and cleanly. First, open the sheet you want to export. Make sure you're looking at the correct file and that everything is saved. This helps ensure the version you send to Google Sheets reflects your latest changes. Now, look to the top left area of your screen, right next to your name in the app's header. You'll see a three-dot icon, often called the More Options menu. It can be easy to miss, especially on smaller screens, so take a moment to find those three vertical dots. Go ahead and click that icon. A small menu will appear. In that menu, choose Export. This is the command that packages your current sheet and prepares it for the format you want. Once you select Export, you'll see an option specifically for Google Sheets. Click Google Sheets. That's it. The export process begins immediately. In most cases, your sheet is converted and either opens in a new browser tab as a Google Sheets file or becomes available in your Google Drive. The exported version usually keeps your original layout, including columns, rows, formulas, and basic formatting. So what you see in Google Sheets should closely match what you had before. If your sheet is large or contains many formulas, give it a moment to finish. A solid internet connection helps the export run more smoothly. After the export completes, it's a good idea to quickly scan the result in Google Sheets. Look over totals, formulas, and any conditional formatting to confirm everything looks right. Most common elements carry over well. If you don't immediately see the three-dot icon next to your name, try maximizing your window or checking the top bar again. On compact displays, menus can collapse to fit the screen. Also, remember that some advanced or app-specific features may not have a one-to-one equivalent in Google Sheets. In those rare cases, Google Sheets may adapt the content into the closest supported format. To recap the entire process in one smooth flow, open your sheet, click the three dots next to your name at the top left, choose Export, then pick Google Sheets. From there, your file becomes a Google Sheets document and is ready for viewing, sharing, and collaboration. That's the complete export, done in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy working with your data in Google Sheets.